As you know, China is fighting with coronavirus, thanks to the efforts, preventions, and control by the Chinese government. The situation here is increasingly trending in a positive direction.
I certainly believe the epidemic is temporary and the sellers in the United States will be back to normal life like the sellers in China have done. As we all know, China has been fighting with the coronavirus over 2 months, and the virus is contained extremely well. The goods factories, international logistic companies, container shipping companies, and the loading ports were reopened orderly since February 17th. Sellers in China are already back to normal life.
Because right now, here in China, I saw more and more Chinese AML sellers are getting back to work. Although some are work from home, some are in the office.
当然，美国卖家们肯定关心的事情就是中国的工厂是否已经复工了。在这里，我可以跟广大的美国卖家们说一下，中国的工厂现在已经开始是复工了，所以美国的卖家们可以不用担心这。
The truth is, more than 70% of the major manufacturers in China have been reopening to normal business. This is the data from an official report released on 12th March. Also, the federal government have further increased their allowance in order to support businesses. Like in Zhejiang government press conference held on 16th March, the government aiming on an annual allowance of about 22 billion US dollars on taxes, fees, rents, and interests to support businesses only in Zhejiang.
As for the people and friends in the United States, I'm sure that you will overcome it very soon, just like us. Our China team of Rosamond Family wish you and your family are healthy and safe.